Well, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here with my buddy Chris in his beautiful home in the beautiful state of Florida, and today is exhaust day. Look at this. This car does not need an exhaust. Neither does this one. But since Chris is now my good friend, Chris is actually he's a big car guy, but he's not really a big modification car guy. But since he's now hanging out with me, we have hooked up with my exhaust manufacturer of choice, FI Exhaust. And we're going to do a full F1 style exhaust on this beautiful 458 Spider. See, I mean, what is that? Ballin'! I love it! Yeah, I mean, it's still there. I mean, it sounds okay. But dude, I mean, this is gonna change your life, man. I mean, this is going to sound so good. As you guys know, I had the full system on my F12. Now, granted, that's a V12, but this is the last car that Ferrari put a mid-engine, naturally aspirated V8 in, and it needs to breathe, man. And I'm so excited. It's not even my car. The funny thing is that currently I kind of live like vicariously through you right now when I'm in like limbo between supercars and stuff like that. This is gonna be so dope. Man, it has been a while since I was in a Ferrari the last time, and it feels so good. But listen to this. See? The exhaust wants to open on its own, and we just can't have that, and it's too restricted. This amazing 458. I love this. This might have to be my next supercar, man. Ooh! Oh man, come on. Where's the sound? So Chris is about to have the best of both worlds, a full FI exhaust system on his 458, and then he has a Tesla Model S Plaid as his daily. Oh, whoa, that's cheating. All right, so we're here at Beach Auto Care. They're the ones who are gonna be installing the exhaust on the 458. Now this, I know this from experience, it's a process that takes a little while. Because this is a full system, it's gonna have the valves where you can have them fully open or completely turn them off in wife mode. Dude, are you excited or what, man? He's a little modest. He's not as excited as I am.
This is my excited face right here.
Yeah. Look at that. Got your little remote. So that's gonna be wife mode, and that's Christopher mode right there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So there's gonna be tips on here, but yeah, we're unboxing the whole exhaust here now, and this is like Christmas Eve in freaking April for two grown men. It's not even my car. So when we say F1, we mean F1. Look, we got new headers. Everything is gonna be brand new. All right, so we got everything laid out here. Look how pretty this is. We got the headers, we got the catless pipe here. You guys can kind of tell what this is. Look at these puny mufflers. It's gonna be interesting to compare the sizes when we get the stock exhaust off. And oof, look at the pipes. Dude, this is so sick. I cannot wait to see this on the car. What do you think, Christopher? Oh, it's gonna sound so much better. You guys know it. I mean, it sounds good. Gotta love a Ferrari V8, but it's gonna sound a whole lot better. You guys know I usually do my work back home in Pittsburgh, but today's guy who's gonna be doing the install is Josh. So nice to meet you, man.
Going on. I'm excited.
The thing is, he doesn't know what he's in for. And I just cannot wait to see his face when he smashes it when this new exhaust is on there. It's gonna sound like a Ferrari is supposed to sound. So to be able to access the stock headers, you have to take the whole wheel off, the wheel liner and the heat shields and everything, because it is far in there. But yeah, once the new headers are on there, the catless pipes, oh dude, it's gonna be so sweet. Hey, Christopher's about that gap life. Look at this. That is absolutely horrendous. So we gotta take care of that too. Replace these springs, full coilover kit from Novitec or AKKW. Some yellow springs here, lower it. Put some wheels on it, Christopher. Chris is like, no, I'm a purist. I want my car stock. Can't be doing that.
I never
No.
said I was a purist. Get him doing some work.
Yeah,
I
right.
need some gloves. Get some hits on
I need
that.
gloves. I got sensitive hands, people.
Mr. Preppy over here doing work. Look at these rusty old mufflers. They're coming off. Ugh. So quick transition in the video. We got a little lunch break here. We got a car switching situation. So while Chris is picking up his son from school and they're still working on that 458, I'm now in an Aston Martin Vantage. This belongs to Chris as well. And listen to this. The interesting thing about this car is that it has the exact same 4-liter bi-turbo engine that was in my two previous C63s, the 2017 and the 18. And oh, these sounds, man. Completely different interior from the Mercedes. An interesting fact here, the paddle shifters are actually on the column. They're not on the steering wheel, so they don't really follow you when you're steering. So that was a little different in the beginning, but this car is amazing. I love it. So I've been hooning around in the car here for a little bit, so I'm filling it up for him, but look at this sparkle in the paint. Hopefully that comes out on camera, but just the lines on this car is absolutely gorgeous. But now, enough of the Aston. We're gonna check back in here with Beach Auto Care and see how it's going with the 458 exhaust install. So how long did that take?
It's about 6 or 7 hours now. I lost track, man.
Hour 12.
Day 17 and a half.
No, but driver's side was a lot harder apparently than passenger side. Yeah, but look at the difference here. This versus that. Ugh. Can't wait to get this in. I'm acting like this is my own car, man. I'm so excited. So what used to be on the car and what's going on the car. So this is a lot smaller muffler. A lot better breathing, a lot louder. It's gonna be awesome. So all of the old exhaust is now off. Look at this big resonator here. That is being replaced by this pipe right here. That's a big difference, along with a lot smaller mufflers. And this is, by the way, number 78 of the F1 style exhaust for the 458 from Frequency Intelligent. And we got the new header on it. Look at that. I mean, look at that. That is just absolutely gorgeous. All right, so pretty much the only thing missing to get on the exhaust is this part here, and then obviously the tips. You excited, Sebi? Huh? You want to hear Dada's car?
You excited?
Huh? You're blonder than me, dude. Well, good morning, Christopher.
What's up?
You got a new outfit on.
Little Masters action?
Yeah. We're celebrating that we're gonna have the first startup here soon.
Yes, sir.
So after the first startup here, it's gonna be a bunch of boring wiring work and stuff for the actuator. So we're gonna bounce after that, but at least we get a startup, and then when we come back, it's time. Oh yeah! Gotta love it, man. Christopher, what do you think, dude? What I tell you, that's what it's supposed to sound like. Now the mechanics, they gotta wait like an hour before it cools down. There is no doubt that I'm the one that's most excited here. Way more than you are. Dude, I love it, man.
I'm pretty sure it shot flames. I mean, a little bit.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I got it on camera. Flames came out. Oh, he was right here, looking right at it.
Flames came straight out.
No, but are you serious? Flames came up.
100%.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dude.
Rewind.
It's on camera.
Rewind.
I missed it, but I caught it on camera, but I missed it. Dude, that's so sick. I can't wait to see that footage.
I told him, I said, stand right here and look right at the exhaust. And as soon as he did.
That's because a real man was revving the car. So finally it's done. Woo-hoo! Man, that sounds good. That's what I'm talking about, man. How much of a difference is that?
That's not even the same.
From stock. Yeah, baby. Oh my God, dude, it is so loud. I mean, when you're standing right behind it, dude, it is loud.
What?
It's a little different from stock, huh, Chris?
Oh.
Damn. Man, these tips look so good, though. I love it. This car's a different animal now, dude. I'm in love. I'm in love. I need a Ferrari again. I need a Ferrari. See, that's what you don't get with the other turbo cars. The NA Ferraris are the best when it comes to the pure sound. Well, Chris, here we are. Your maiden voyage in a straight pipe Ferrari, and it's your car. It's extremely loud. Now the thing is, they haven't done the wiring yet for the valves, so the valves are coming on there as well, so he can use the remote control that you get, which can be needed sometimes, especially when you have a Spider. Like in my F12, I could never have the top down, only the windows down. This is a completely different when it comes to. This is louder than my Ferrari was.
Yeah.
It's a different sound.
Yeah.
It's louder because also, you know,
It's open.
It's, you know, mid-engine.
Yeah.
It's like straight out there, and you can put the top down. So I think it's absolutely awesome. It's been completely worth it for me to come down here and experience this joy with my buddy. Even though it's not my car, but I'm in love. I might have to go get a 458 eventually.
I think you need to.
Now, a 458 has been around for a long time. There's a lot of other mid-engine Ferraris they can buy that are faster than a 458, like a 488 or a Pista, for instance, and also, of course, SF90. But there's something about a naturally aspirated Ferrari. They don't make these cars like this anymore. They never will, unless something, I don't know what crazy happens. They start making NA engines again. But the way the world is looking, that's not going to happen. So this is a rare breed. It's the last car Ferrari made that had a mid-mounted, naturally aspirated V8. You're a lucky man, dude. I'm jealous. I absolutely love the 458. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Check out the link in the description for FI if you're looking for anything for your car. They have exhaust systems for all kinds of brands and everything. But God, a straight pipe 458, I had never experienced it either. I've never heard a straight pipe 458, only the V12 versions. It's absolutely insane. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a huge thumbs up. Follow Chris on Instagram for his car. I'll link that in the description as well. But yeah, if you guys stopping by for the first time and you haven't already and you want to, please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.